connected.
What's up, YouTube? It's dafobra, and today Mark S. NYC Moto and I are going to head out to Brooklyn to check out Triumph of Brooklyn. It's a brand new dealership that just opened up, so we're going to check out some bikes, take some pictures, and have a good ride. Tag along. Low gas prices. Are you crazy? Pays $1 million here. See here? Non bugami sre. Pete the Greek. So we had a really good time today here at Triumph of Brooklyn. Gotta tell you, the guys over here are super nice, super friendly. Really nice motorcycles over here. And Triumph's doing some really good deals too. So if you're looking for a bike, looking for a couple of used bikes out front here too, but if you're looking for a Triumph, definitely hit them up. They're right here on, I think this is Metropolitan Avenue in Williamsburg. And thanks guys for hosting us. I appreciate it. Alright, so we're going to roll out now. And thanks for watching. Ride safe, everyone. I'll see you.